What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there? And before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, share, and comment, and hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in them comments. Gang, gang. And before you watch this video, don't forget to follow me on all social media so we can stay connected, like I said. And with the contest, with the giveaway, like I'm still waiting for more people to do the task that I asked. That's why I haven't announced anybody yet. But till then, like I said, stay tuned. But this video is about a website called Vendale, as you can see right there. Vendale Research. Some of you heard of it, some of you haven't. You know what I mean? But let's get into it. It's Vendale Research is a website that you can do surveys basically. Like I said, let me go. Like I said, I live by a precinct. I know a lot of my videos, y'all hear always the fire department. Every time I'm doing a video, it never fails. But anyways, like I said, as you can see right here, 75 cents, $1.25, $2. These are surveys that you can do. You're not gonna get all of them, and I know it gets frustrating because trust me, I get frustrated doing them myself. But like I said, when you grind, you don't give up. You know what I mean? It's definitely gonna pay off. What I do is I do a couple. You know what I'm saying? Since I do a lot of stuff, I'll do a couple and then take a break and then get right back to it. You know what I'm saying? But let me give you an example. Let's say I wanted to do this one. I click this one, open that up, do the task. Like I said, some you're gonna get, some you're not. Sometimes you'll be in the middle of it, and then that says you don't qualify, and that's the ball about it. But like I said, that's part of doing surveys. You know what I mean? I'm basically just gonna run down, get to the point. Look at all these surveys you can get right here. Look at all these surveys. There's a lot. Look, there's even one right here for $3.67. You know what I mean? Not saying you're gonna get it, but I'm not saying you're not. Like I said, you just gotta keep going for the ones that you get. And if you get it, you get it. You don't. Just keep grinding. Like I said, they got panels that you can apply for right here, as you can see right here. You know what I mean? They got videos that you can do, and you can earn also right here. You know what I mean? Vendale videos are short, promotional, and contact-based videos you paid to watch. Individual payouts vary by generally around 5 cents or less. Most videos are very short, a minute or less. A minute or less, you get 5 cents or less, something like that. If you want to do it, you can leave it playing. It's up to you. You know what I mean? But like I said, like I said, if I ain't doing anything, I'll let it play. If not, stick to the surveys. Here go the referral system right here. The referral system is $5 per person that you share. Like I said, you can share with your friends, you can share with your family, you know, social media, which is powerful right now. I recommend everybody share it on social media, Craig. Anything you can share, anything to get the word out there, period. If you want to make a YouTube channel, I definitely encourage that, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, here's my referral code right here. It will be in the link in the description below. So all you got to do is scroll down, click it, sign up if you're not signed up already. You know what I'm saying? Make an account and come right back to the video. If you like, if not, just start grinding. You know what I mean? But like I said, man, I don't keep people long. I'm not gonna, sugarcoat things and say do this, do that. I'm basically getting down to the point. Hit those surveys up, grind, and share this. Like I said, for each person, you know what I mean, you're gonna get $5. The only thing about this, when you get paid out, it's not like you let's say for example, like you got $50 in here. It takes about 2 weeks for you to get paid like a job. You know what I mean? But let's just say you have $45 in there. They're not going to send you the $45. You got to have an even number of 50, 100, 150, 200. Now you get my point. It got to be in the 50s. Like I said, you can't just cash out 20, 25 and stuff like that. Got to be 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. All in 50s, you know what I'm saying? And it take about 2 weeks, like a job. Like I said, I think it's every 1st and every 15th. If you don't beat that, that quota, let's just say it's the 14th, right? And you want to you don't cash out between the 14th going into midnight, and you cash out maybe late 15th. You're gonna have to wait to the 1st of next month to get that. Once you cash out that payment, you're gonna have to wait to the 1st of whatever. Let's say it's April. Let's say April, May. Yeah, May. Basically May. You'll have to wait to April. I mean, what am I talking about? Got me. I'm confusing myself. Let's say we wait April 15th. You have to wait till May 1st since you didn't cash out in time. Basically, what I'm trying to tell you. But like I said, Let me go back to the studies right here. I just wanted to give you an example. I got myself confused. But like I said, you just go through all of these. Go through all of them until you do all of them. Like I said, and then keep going. You know what I'm saying? There's more stuff you can do. You know what I'm saying? Just go through the website. There's gonna be more and more. As a matter of fact, they send them to your email also. You know what I'm saying? Besides the studies on here, they'll send them to your email. Make sure you fill out all your information also, because I guess you get a little stuff off that too. You know what I'm saying? I can't remember because it's been a while since I've done this. But like I said, you go to the little stripe right here, as you can see my name right there. Right here, look, all this earn. There's all the stuff you can go to right here. You know, surveys, referrals, referral codes, bonus opportunities, payment photos, etc. Go there, like I said, and then, you know, do all that stuff. But first, go to your account history. Like I said, I can't remember if I got points, whatever it was, I can't really remember it. You know what I'm saying? Because I had been doing research for a while. Like I said, you go here, fill out all your info, and then go to earn and start crushing it. You know what I mean? It's that simple. So let me go back. Like I said, ain't much to it. Like I said, don't forget to add me on social media so we can stay connected, you know, through Facebook, you know what I mean, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Like I said, I ain't posting that much right now, but like I said, I'm waiting for it to fill up a little bit more because in that meantime, I'm doing a lot of other stuff right now, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to definitely keep y'all in tune. I'm doing a lot. When I mean a lot, like I'm on overload right now. I'm trying to make things a little bit more easy for myself so I can start posting at least 3 more videos a day on this channel or whatever. But like I said, man, the link will be in the description below. My social media will be in the link in the description below. And the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
Yeah, I'm in this bitch.